Okay, next example. This question goes like this. A 5-meter thick clay layer lies between two layers of sand, each 4 meters thick. So there are 3 layers: clay, sand, and sand. Next, the top of the upper layer of sand being at ground level. So it means that here ground level. The water table is 2 meters below the ground level, but the lower layer of sand is under artesian pressure. So it means that the water table is here. This is 4 meters, this is 5 meters, and this is 4 meters. The water table is 2 meters from the ground level, and the sand layer under artesian. It means that this is confined aquifer. There is confined aquifer in the sand layer. Okay. The piezometric surface being 4 meters above ground level. I pick this question due to this line. Only this line. There is nothing great in this question. Only this line, which makes the question very beautiful. So as we are very dutiful, we'll solve the question. Okay, next. The saturated unit weight of clay is 20 kilonewton per meter cube. So here gamma sat equal to 20 kilonewton per meter cube. Okay. And that of sand is 19 kilonewton per meter cube. Okay, here the sands are 2. This is also sand and this is also sand. So that's why he gave extra information also. Above the water table, unit weight of sand is 16.5 kilonewton per meter cube. It means that here gamma sat is 16.5 kilonewton per meter cube, and here gamma sat is 19 kilonewton per meter cube. Okay. What he wants to calculate the effective vertical stress at the top and bottom of the clay layer. So we need to calculate here. I'll say 1 1, and here I'll say 2 2. Okay. So effective stress at 1 1, it is top of the clay layer. It is total stress at 1 1 minus pore water pressure at 1 1. Total stress means this density into height, which is 16.5 into 2, plus this density into height. This density is 19, because below the water table sand is 19. So 19. So here also gamma sat is 19. Don't confuse. Okay. So this is total stress minus pore water pressure. I already said in the previous example tip. So if you want to calculate pore water pressure at any question or in any question, you have to place a piezometer, and then by the pressure head in the piezometer you have to calculate the pore water pressure. So if we place here piezometer, the water table will rise till this height, which is 2. So minus 9.81 into 2. Don't take 10. If you calculate this, you will get 51.38 kilonewton per meter square. So this is at top of the clay layer. Now we will calculate bottom of the clay layer. This section made the question very beautiful. Okay, so same total stress at 2 minus pore water pressure at 2. Okay, so total stress equal to 16.5 into 2 plus 19 into 2 plus bottom of the clay layer means till this point. So we already calculate 16.5 into 2, 19 into 2, this one 20 into 5, 20 into 5, which is total stress. And the pore water pressure, if you want to calculate pore water pressure, you have to place a piezometer at that point where you want to calculate pore water pressure. So if you calculate here, generally I said yesterday also, if there is no confinement, then the water level rise in the piezometer is till water table point, which is here, not here. I'll erase this. So till this point will rise if there is no confinement or artesian pressure. Due to this artesian pressure, he said that the piezometric surface is being 4 meters above the ground level. It means if you place a piezometer, it will go, the water level in the piezometer rise till this point, which is 4 meters above the ground level. It means that due to artesian, this extra height. So the total height is, this is 4, this is also 4 meters, this is 5 meters. Okay, so 9.81 into 13, which will give 43.47 kilonewton per meter square.